up guys, Dassahmariee here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very exciting video. I'm finally doing a what's in my diaper bag, no, what's in my hospital bag video. So I'm finally packing my hospital bag, you guys. I'm 35 weeks pregnant. I cannot believe it. I'm going to do like a little bump date so you guys can see my bump. How it looks like. Literally my undershirt doesn't even, like, look at this, he's so big. Oh my gosh. So that's like my little bump date. He's so big, you guys. But yeah, we're getting close. I just had my appointment, my 35-week appointment yesterday. She was like, this is the time you should pack your diaper hospital bag. You should do the hospital tour, which we have scheduled for next week. And let's get into it. So you guys, this is my diaper bag and I love it. I got it at my baby shower. It is so cute. This is the exact one that I wanted to. It's like beautiful, and this is from the Skip and Hop line. I just love it. Cup holders, the inside looks like this. It came with like a little, like, for the, like, it's amazing, you guys. Shout out to Debbie, Neve's godmom, my aunt-in-law. She's amazing. She got me the bag I wanted. So anyway, so yeah, my diaper bag, and we're gonna go ahead and start with Isaiah's stuff. So I'm like, I don't know, I really can't decide what outfit I want to bring him home in. So I'm bringing 3 different outfits. Let me know if that's excessive. I don't know, but this is the first outfit I really want him to come home in. This is the Simba. If you guys saw my baby shower video, it was Lion King themed. So this has like Simba long sleeve, and then it has like the little pants, and then it has the little beanie. I really love this, and this one is newborn, and I think this might be the one. It's a 3-piece set. Let me know what you actually vote in the comments which outfit you guys think he should come home. I really like this one, so I'm going to be bringing this one. Go ahead, put that in the bag. You guys, this one's only fitting. This is the next outfit. It says making my debut from Nike. The only reason I'm iffy about this is because it's a t-shirt and like extra onesie, and he's gonna be born November 26th, which is like getting close to winter, so I don't know, but I couldn't resist this one, so I'm gonna bring that one just in case. The third one is this one. These are the ones my babe picked, destined to be drafted. You guys, look at this one. This one is 0 to 3 months. This might be kind of big. I don't know, destined to be drafted. I'm gonna bring it anyways. He might be kind of small for this, but who knows? This is one of the choices. Third choice, I'm going towards the Simba one, so we'll see. Next, I'm bringing these little mittens, because you know babies are known for like scratching their face and everything like that, so definitely having some of these. Hopefully they fit, because when Neve was a baby, none of the mittens fit her hands at all, so we had to put socks on her hands because she was so small that these were like super big on her, so hopefully these fit his hands. So that's coming with us. Next are socks for his little feet. So these are the 0 to 3 months as well, and I think these are like super cute, so I'm bringing some socks for him. Next, last but not least actually, is a blankie. So this one says Roar, and then it says Just Born. That's the name of it, and I really like this blankie. I think it's super cute. He got quite a few blankies, but this one was like my favorite. So yeah, the whole lion theme, if you guys could tell. So I'm gonna bring that. And then I'm not gonna bring diapers, because I did find out the hospital does obviously provide the diapers, so I don't think I'm gonna bring any with us. So that's pretty much just it, like outfits, mittens, socks, and stuff like that for him. So that's all I'm gonna bring regarding him. Regarding myself, I'm gonna bring a couple things. I'm gonna bring my own nightgown. I know the hospital does give you a gown. I really don't like it, so here's a little nightgown that says love. It's like a little dress that I want to bring for myself to be comfortable whenever I could change out of my hospital gown. So pajamas for me. And then to go home, I'm bringing my maxi dress, because I just don't want to be in pants at all. So I will be bringing this dress that I got. Where did I get this from? H&M. You guys seen I wore it in Hawaii and San Diego. So I'm bringing this little maxi dress so I could be comfortable. So this is my going home outfit. Same thing with Neve. I wore a maxi dress to go home with her as well. So packing that. And last but not least for myself, socks, because I hate the hospital socks. So I'm bringing, I don't want to see if I have any other pairs, but I'll just probably wear the hospital socks obviously for like the first day or two, but I'm going to bring these in case I don't like the hospital socks that I could change into my own. So bringing these. And like I said, the same thing regarding the diapers. I'm not going to be bringing pads. I know TMI, all you women who have given birth knows what it's like after birth. And I did pack pads for like with Nevea, but during her labor, when I was in labor with Nevea, I did pack pads, but this time I'm going to leave the diapers and the pads to the hospital because I do know that they provide that. So so far I'm just bringing that extra outfit, pajamas, socks, and then what you saw me pack for Isaiah. So I think that is it, you guys. Listen, that is it. My hospital bag, diaper bag is now packed. You guys look at this. I have to put this on. I'm just so excited for this bag. Like, y'all don't even know. Look at this. How cute is this? I just love it. I really love it. So we got it ready. 35 weeks. Clock is ticking whenever he's ready to come. It's finally packed. My mom kept on telling me, like, when are you going to pack your diaper bag or hospital bag? I packed it, so it's ready. So let me know what you guys think about the things that I packed. Let me know what else you guys think I should add to it, or if you think what I packed is perfect. Go ahead, let me know in the comment box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.